Here's how to install BepInEx, the modding framework used by most Unity game mods. Open your browser and search for BepInEx GitHub. Go to the official BepInEx repository on GitHub. Click Releases on the right side and find the latest stable release. Download the zip file that matches your game's Unity version. Most modern games use the x64 version. If you are unsure which to download, check the game's mod page on Nexus Mods, which usually specifies the correct BepInEx version. Once downloaded, right-click the zip and select Extract All. Open the extracted folder. You will see files including winhttp.dll, BepInEx folder, and doorstop.config.ini. Select all of these and copy them. Navigate to your game's root folder, the folder containing the game's main exe file. If using Steam, right-click the game, select Manage, then Browse Local Files. Paste all the BepInEx files directly into that root folder. Launch the game once and let it fully load before closing it. This first launch is essential. BepInEx creates its plugins and config folders automatically during this process. Without running the game at least once, these folders will not exist and mods cannot be installed. After closing the game, you will see the BepInEx folder now contains a plugins subfolder. This is where you drop your mod files going forward. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.